Hi guys, I was in Poundland today, spotted these solar lights. They just caught my imagination. They're quite a thick glass, I would think. I don't even think that's plastic, I think that's glass. The solar panel is inside, and so is the light, obviously. If I switch it on, it is on, and cover it, can I cover it enough to... I can't cover it enough to turn the light on because it's too bright in here at the moment. Hang on, let's go to a dark room and do it. Right, here we are, dark room, nice and bright. So that part of it's working. I just thought we'd take it apart and have a look inside, see if there's anything interesting. So back out into the light room, and it turns out straight away. I don't expect to find anything dramatic in there. Just want to see what size the solar panels are and what type of batteries in there. Okay, that's come loose, and it's not going to come apart. Okay. There's a risk this will end in tears now then, isn't there? It's obviously been sealed. Or is it just a really good fit? It might just be a really good fit. There is movement, just not very much. They've made sure it's waterproof. There's nothing under there, no extra screws, is there? Nope, no extra screws. So it is just well sealed. Okay, we'll be back in a minute when I've unsealed it. Right, back again, nearly all the way there. I can see it is a sort of black goopy seal that they've used. That's what's holding it together, keeping it waterproof. So it's not waterproof anymore now that I've done that. Oh, all in. Got some chips, or a chip there. That looks like a resistor 101. Can I cover them enough to get the light on? Light does come on a little bit as I do that. Oh, there we go. That's what I wanted to see. What sort of battery was in it? Nickel metal hydride, AAA, 200 milliamp. Well, apart from the fact it's no longer going to be waterproof, that's all we can show you. I suppose I could do a really close up of that, just in case there's anything we can actually read. Yeah, we'd have to. It's probably held in place with hot glue or something. But yeah, we're not going to see any more than that. Okay, well that's it. That's what I want to do, take it apart and have a look inside. We could just have a look at the instructions. Which are sort of stuck together. That looks like very generic instructions, doesn't it? And stuck together in a way that you can't actually read them without destroying them. Okay. I've cleaned the sealant out of the way from this gutter around the outside. And in my garage, I've got this stuff, roof and gutter sealant. The only problem with it, expiry date 15th of the 2nd, 2014. So I don't know if it's going to be liquid enough in there to actually use or not. I've just cleaned the nozzle out because that was solid. So we'll see if we can get anything in there. This stuff's horrible stuff. It doesn't set, or at least not very quickly. It's designed to be flexible. I must say I'm surprised it's still working. Being 12 years old, or 12 years past its use by date. Anyway, let's put that there somewhere because this is going to go. It's going to squirt out around the edges when I put it on. Not too bad. Yeah, I'll wipe that off with a rag. And we should be okay. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.